In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a stop loss on Moomoo. A stop loss is a sell order that triggers automatically to help limit losses or protect gains, and the most reliable way to set it up in Moomoo is while you're opening a trade. Let's walk through it step by step so you know exactly what to tap and why. First, open the Moomoo app. In the search bar, look up the stock you want to trade, like a popular ticker such as AAPL or SPY. When you're on the stock's page, tap Trade to open the order ticket. Now focus on the order type. Change it to the option that fits how you want your stop to behave: stop, stop, limit, or conditional order. If you want a standard stop or a stop limit, pick those directly. If you're planning to use a trailing stop, you'll typically find it under conditional order. Next, choose Stop, Sell. This tells Moomoo you're setting up a stop loss to sell your position if the price falls to your trigger. Now, enter the details. Set your stop price, also called the trigger price. This is the price level that, once touched, will activate your sell order. Then choose the order type that will be sent after the trigger: market or limit. Market is designed for speed. It fills at the next available market price once triggered, which is best for fast protection but can result in slippage. Limit gives you price control by only selling at your specified limit or better, but in a fast drop, it might not get filled. Finally, enter the quantity you want to protect. When everything looks right, tap Sell or Confirm. That's it. Your stop loss is now active. Before we wrap, here's a quick guide to the types of stop loss available in Moomoo so you can choose confidently. A stop, sometimes called a market stop, executes immediately at the market price after the trigger. It's the best choice when speed matters and you want to prioritize getting out. A stop limit triggers a limit sell order instead, giving you better price control but carrying the risk that it may not fill during a sharp move. A trailing stop moves your trigger automatically as the stock rises, helping lock in profits while still limiting downside, and is usually set through the conditional order option. Double check your trigger, order type, and quantity before confirming, and you'll have a clear, disciplined safety net in place.